Welcome to Customizations Choices Part 2. Sooner than my last video posted on YouTube, FabFitFun released a second round of customizations and the choices. So I had to get back to work. You're not getting my full face. You're getting me a mess for the night, because I was ready for bed. First choice we're going to have is by MAC, and it's the Powder Kiss Lipstick Duo. It's going to be two different shades. One's going to be Work, 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 and the second is Reverence. They said that this is like a matte look, but the lightweight feel of a lip balm. It retails for $42. And it's moisture coated pigments that condition and hydrate. I can't wait for this one. I believe this is going to be my second choice. If that's no longer available by the time I get to choose, this one would be my choice. This is by Gaiam. It's the Gaiam Studio Select. It is their Ultimate Core Toning Kit. And after, almost a year of quarantine, I think we're all ready for a little bit of core toning. This retails for $50. There's an insert card for it that actually gives you access to an exercise guide and workout videos, so that sounds really cool too. Is by Our Price. It's a lunchbox that comes with a fork, spoon, knife, and chopsticks. It's made from rice husk fiber. And it also has an elastic bag to hold it all together. It kind of looks like a pinto box without. It is by Billion Dollar Brow, and it's going to be a 6-piece pro brush set. It retails for $62, and what is available, what comes in that set is a powder brush, contour, foundation, highlight, eyeshadow, and an eyebrow brushes. They're charcoal infused to be antimicrobial. Choice is by Josie Maran, possibly. It's 100% pure argan oil. It retails for $49. It's a moisturizing superfood for your skin, your hair, your nails, your face, and your body. It is by Splendid. It's faux fur slippers. It retails for $48. The small medium size fits from US size 5 to 7.5, and then the medium large size is going to fit from 8 to 11. But certainly not final choice is by Steel Milk and Company. It's $45 to-do planning bundle. So you're going to get 2 dual-ended highlighters, 5 sticker sheets, and 1 planner. Which, I mean, at this point, I think we all can use a little bit more help with our to-do lists and things like that, especially since our year ahead might look a lot different than it did last year. I know that the organizer also has to-do sections and appointment sections, things like that. There's all different kinds of categories. If you please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more just like this, hit that subscribe button. I do all kinds of subscription boxes, makeup tutorials, makeup challenges, and lots of fun stuff ahead. We've got the Ipsy Glam Bag X, the first one ever, coming out next month. Then March is going to be our BoxyCharm Luxe month, and somewhere between March and March and April, we should be seeing the spring FabFitFun box. There should be another round of customization choices too. Spoilers! So stay in. Thank you.